Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you how to easily archive multiple chats on Gmail on your PC with the new update. To begin, open gmail.com on your computer and log into your account. Once you are in your inbox, select the checkboxes next to the messages you want to archive. After selecting the messages, look towards the top left side of the screen and click on the archive icon. This icon is represented by a box with a downward-facing arrow. By clicking on this icon, all the selected chats will be archived and moved out of your inbox, helping you to keep your inbox organized and clutter-free. Archiving chats is a convenient way to declutter your inbox without deleting important messages. It allows you to access the archived chats at any time if needed. And there you have it. You have successfully archived multiple chats on Gmail on your PC with just a few simple steps. We hope this tutorial was helpful and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, happy archiving.